ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಇಂದಿನ ಪಂಚಾಂಗ ಪ್ಲವನಾಮ ಸಂವತ್ಸರ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣಾಯನ, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಪುಷ್ಯ ಮಾಸ, ಶುಕ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷ, ಅಷ್ಟಮಿ ತಿಥಿ, ರೇವತಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ, ಸೋಮವಾರ. ಈ ದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं धीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं। लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। यो नित्यमच्युतपदां भुजयुग्मरुग्मः व्यामोहदस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने। अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धो रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। हिमालयं समारभ्य यावत् हिन्दुसरोवरं तं देवनिर्मितं देशं हिन्दुस्थानं प्रचक्षते। Namaste and welcome you to the 26th day of the Margashira or Margali Nonbe, which is also called as Dhanurmasa Pravachanam. Margashira Masa, to reiterate, in Tamil is called as Margali, and as the sun gets into the respective Rashi Dhanu, that's why it is called also Dhanurmasam or Dhanurmasa Pravachana, which we are experiencing the Katyayini Vrata, Katyayini Mahamaye, Mahayogin Yatishwari, Nandagopasutam Dehi, Patim Me Kurute Namaha. Ayarpadi Sakhis in the Nayakatvam or in the leadership of Godaitaya are taking this Margali Nonbe forward. From 25th to 29th Pashuram, it will be wholly about the Narayana Nama, the Mahatva, and how the Narayana Nama is the Bhavasagara Karpanya Dosha Varjanam. Let's have a snippet of yesterday's Pashuram. ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர தரிக்கில்லானாகித்தான் தீங்கு நினைந்த கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்து கஞ்சன் வைத்தில் நெருப்பென்ன நின்ன நெடுமாலே உன்னை அறுத்தித்து வந்தோம் பறை தருதியாகில் திருத்தக்க செல்வகமும் சேவகமும் யாம்பாடி வருத்தமும் தீர்ந்து மகிழ்ந்தேலோரெம்பாவாய். Here the Alvars and the Acharyas are very careful and not even uttering the name of Paramatma, because they are maintaining the source code or the secret code. They are telling that Krishna was born as Varutti Mahanai Pirandu Varutti Mahanai Valarndu. That is, born from the womb of Devaki, and in the same night grow in the hands of Yashoda. Not just growing, grown up in a hidden way to do the Rakshana of the Jagat Rakshaka. That is what the responsibility of Nanda Gopa and Yashoda here is. It is told that Yashoda and Devaki both had done a penance of 12,000 years to get this kind of a golden, this kind of a unnata opportunity or the avakasha to give birth. Devaki would have asked for giving birth to Paramatman, and Yashoda would have asked to see him grow up with her and to enjoy the Krishna Leela. So here Sri Krishna Paramatma is making sure both the sides, Bhagavatas, are happy and they are happy with what they only asked. So whenever we are asking for any vara or any boon, we must be so calculative, and he is also smart enough to give what we ask and what is in need. Now Krishna is growing up. Other side, Kamsa is so restless because he knows somewhere Devaki's son is growing up in a peaceful manner, and தரிக்கில்லானாகித்தான் தீங்கு நினைந்து கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்து கஞ்சன் வயிற்றில் நெருப்பென்ன நெடுமாலே. நெருப்பென்ன, if someone's stomach is burning, don't we say give him some gelusil? The same way here Kamsa's stomach is burning like flames coming out. Nowadays, if we see after Kashi Vishwanatha's Abhyodayam, after Ayodhya Sri Rama Mandira, just yet to come, yet to be constructed, Abhavya Mandira, many of them are also having the same effect. So Paramatma, now give us the parai. Tiruttakka Shelvagamam Shevagamam Yampadi Tatvakshasthala Nityavasarasikam Takshanti Samvardhini Padmalankrita Pani Pallavayugam Padmasanastam Shriyam Vatsalyadi Gunojwalam Bhagavatim Vande Jaganmataram Shreyah Kantaya Kalyana Nidhaye Nidhayettinam. So may the Vaibhava of your seva keep happening, and please don't give us the separation. Separation from you is something that is a shabam. That is a thing that we never want. So don't give us the separation from you. We always need to be with you in your Padakamala. So keep blessing us. Let's start with today's Pashuram. Male Manivanna. Here Andal Tayar says Male. She is calling Male, the concept of personalized God, where Male is only called in selective instances. Perum, Al, Perumal, that is the highest of the grade of Atman, that is him, that is Perumal. Tirumal, when he is the Vodayan, is the authority for Shri or Shriyapati, then he happens to be Tirumal. And here, with such a personification, with such a personifying beauty towards Lord, she is enjoying calling Male. And Manivanna. Manivanna is the Atmagunatvam. Atmagunatvam, to anyone to adjust whatever they ask. He is the Ashrita Bhaktavatsalan, and he will give everyone what they require. Manivanna to everyone, and he changes the color accordingly. If he wants us to be a friend, he will be a friend, like Krishna and Sudhama Kuchela. If he wants to be a brother, then Balarama Deva and Sri Krishna. If he wants to be a Sevaka, then Bhakta Hanuma and Sri Ramachandra. Just like that, whatever you take, there he sets an example and he says repeatedly that I am there for you in the form that you ask me. So keep chanting and keep doing the smarana of me, is what he evidently says. Male Manivanna Marhali Niraduvan. Now coming back to the known way, Marhali Niraduvan. Now Swami, you also come with us. Marhali Niraduvan Melayar Shevanahal Venduvana Kettiyen. The reason of doing today's Katyayini Vrata is not from today. Melayar, those people who gave us the opportunity to take and do this Vrata, let us be thankful for those Sadatmans, those good selves, and let us continue this with demands. How? Now Andal Tayar keeps her demand. ஞாலத்தையல்வா எல்லாம் நடுங்க முரல்வன பாலன்ன வண்ணத்து உன் பாஞ்சஜன்யமே. ஞாலத்தையெல்லாம் நடுங்க முரல்வன. We need your Panchajanya, the Panchajanya Shankha. Panchajanyam Hrishikesho, as told in Gita. Palanna vannattu un Panchajanyame. Give us your Panchajanya, which when the Udghosha out of Panchajanyam is done, where the sound is raising up from the bhumi and it is piercing the base of the sky and continues to wake up the Manivanna, the Muhilvannan Perpada, the Neelamegha Shyama. We need you to give us the Parai, the Shankham, Panchajanyam, or equivalent to that. Polvana Shangangal Poipada Udayavane. Give us the Shankha, which is kind of Panchajanya. That's why Lord here he is saying, no, it is not possible. I have only one Panchajanya. And that's why there is a conversation between Andal Tayar and Paramatma. Andal Tayar is now surprised. Paramatma, you are the person who gave birth to Brahmadeva from your Nabhi Kamala, through your navel, you allowed a lotus, and from there Brahma took birth. So when you yourself are the creator, why are you negotiating with us just for a conch, is what Andal Tayar is asking. Shalapperumparaye palland ishaipare. Shalapperumparai. Now Andal Tayar is making this event happening big, calling all those bhaktas from Anadikala who are not present but present by their Atma, present by their Shakti, their nature. When she says Shala Perumbaraye, there is one big Vadya, kind of the big drum, and the big drum must be given to Jambavan, the Jambavanta, who has evidenced 3 avatars. One is Vamana Avatara, second one is Rama Avatara, and Krishna Avatara, and who asked for a chance to wrestle with Sri Ramachandra, which didn't happen in that avatara, but Lord is very Kripa, Karunajanaka, and he is Bhaktavatsala. He will give whatever is asked by Bhagavatas. So it happened in Krishna Avatara, and if Rama is coming to fight, how will Jambavan at least accept? He will never accept it. Even though he has a wish, he will not accept, because he knows he is a Chakravarti Tiruman. Magan, he can't fight. So here Sri Krishna Paramatma comes in search for Shamantakamani, and when introducing someone, they must introduce with their name. But Krishna Paramatma wants Jambavan to get his wish completed. So he says, I am Balarama's Anuja. Balarama Anujaham. That means I am the younger brother of Balarama. This Jambavanta is already in search of the person in name of Balarama, because Rama is only for Sri Ramachandra as per him, because he is a Parama Bhakta of Ramachandra, and he is in anger with the person who is named Bala and with the Rama. He was having the complete anger on it, and now he is challenging Krishna, asks him to come for Malla Yuddha with Jambavan. So they fight for 8 days. After fighting for 8 days, now Krishna got to know that Jambavanta is so experienced and he is not going to leave. And he says, please wait for a while. He goes back and he shows his Treta Yuga Rupa as Sri Ramachandra. Then the Jambavanta surrenders himself down to Sri Krishna and says so, and offers Jambavati to Sri Krishna Paramatma. There the Jambavati Kalyana to Sri Krishna Paramatma happens. So Shala Perumbaraye. Now to take the huge Vadya, she is calling Jambavan and Palland Ishaipare. To sing the Pallande, she is inviting Periyalvar, Kolavilakke. Now to hold the lamp, she is expecting Nappinai Birati, Sriman Narayana's better half, to come and hold. You also come and hold. You also do the seva to your Pati Jagadrakshakan Sriman Narayana. Kodiye, Tayar needs a flag which is in the sky and which also protects. So she is inviting Garuda to be the flag. Kodiye, Vidaname. Now she is asking for a huge chapra or huge shelter where they walk, there the shelter must go. So Anima Mahima, the shelter must increase in size when people walk in more. The shelter must go on increasing as more and more Bhagavatas come in. That's why she is calling Anantalvar, who after all this, she is also asking Paramatman, now you must give us the darshana in sort of Vatapatrashayi Krishnan. O Paramatma, now you must manifest just like the then born Krishna on the big banyan tree leaf. A Jagan Manohara Rupa where the whole world just gets lost seeing and enjoying his presence on the leaf. Let's do the Anusandhanam of today's Pashura. Male Madivanna Marhali Niraduvan Melayar Shaivanahal Venduvana Kettiyer Nyalattayellam Nadunga Muralvana Palanna Unnattu Un Panchajanyame Polvana Shangangal Poipadu Udayavane Shalapperum Paraye Pallande Ishaipare Kolavilakke Kodiye Vidaname Alinilayai Arulelorempavai. Mangalam Kosalendraya Mahaniya Gunatmane Chakravarti Tanojaya Sarvabhaumaya Mangalam.
Hope all are enjoying Adhyatma Sudha, the spiritual nectar. Priya Bandhu, be generous. Subscribe, like and share to enlighten. Dhanyavad.